Want to learn how to time block using Asana? Time blocking is a powerful productivity technique that helps you maximize your day and stay focused on what matters. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it effectively using Asana, one of the best project management tools out there. Stick with me, because I've got a game-changing tip at the end that will make your time blocking even more effective. Before we dive in, did you know you can use Asana completely free? Check out the first link in the description below for an exclusive bonus to get started without any cost. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is set up your tasks. If you haven't already, go ahead and create a new project in Asana. Think of your project as the container for all your time block tasks. Once you've created the project, break it down into individual tasks that align with the goals you want to achieve for the day. This gives you a clear visual representation of everything you need to focus on. Next thing, once your tasks are in place, is to assign due dates to each of them. Time blocking in Asana is all about visualizing when you'll work on each task. By setting due dates, you're essentially creating specific time blocks for yourself. Asana makes it easy to move these dates around, so you can adjust if your day changes. The more specific you are about these dates, the more focused you'll be. The third thing, you can group your tasks into sections. If you're working on multiple projects, you might want to separate tasks into sections based on priority or theme. Asana lets you organize tasks in a way that fits your personal workflow. You can assign a section to morning tasks, afternoon tasks, or even specific tasks related to different projects. This keeps everything clear, reducing the chance of feeling overwhelmed by a large to-do list. Now, let's talk about time blocking. This is the part where you'll actually allocate chunks of time to each task. Use Asana's calendar view to drag and drop your tasks into specific time slots. This is where the magic happens. Time blocking on the calendar makes it easy to see exactly what you're working on and when. You can even color code tasks to help you identify different categories like work, meetings, and personal time. The fifth thing, which is a major game changer, is setting reminders. Once your tasks are scheduled, use Asana's reminder feature to get notified before a task starts. These reminders act as little nudges to keep you on track, so you don't forget about your time block slots. You can adjust reminder times based on your preferences, whether you need a few minutes or an hour to prepare. And here's a pro tip to make your time blocking even more effective: break your larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps. Asana allows you to create subtasks under each main task, and this can help you better allocate time to each smaller action. By doing this, you'll be able to focus on one step at a time, making your work less intimidating and more manageable. Finally, as you're wrapping up your day, take a minute to review your tasks. Asana's reporting tools allow you to track your progress and see how well you stuck to your time blocks. If you need to adjust for tomorrow, you can quickly update your schedule without any hassle. To recap, get your tasks set up, assign due dates, organize by sections, block your time on the calendar, set reminders, and break tasks into subtasks. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to mastering time blocking with Asana. And remember, you can use Asana for free. The first link below will give you access to exclusive bonuses and an extended trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your productivity with Asana.